U.S. visa shocker. All social media handles now required for Nigerian applicants. A 2025 guide. The U.S. mission in Nigeria now requires all visa applicants to list their social media usernames from the last 5 years on the DS-160 form. Learn why this is happening, what they are checking for, and how omitting this information can lead to a visa denial and a future ban. The rules for applying for a United States visa have just received a game-changing update, and it directly involves your digital life. In a recent announcement, the U.S. mission in Nigeria confirmed a policy that has sent shockwaves through the applicant community. You are now required to declare all of your social media handles from the past 5 years. This isn't an optional request. It's a mandatory part of the DS-160 application form, and the consequences for getting it wrong are severe. Omitting, forgetting, or deliberately hiding a username could lead to an immediate visa denial and make you ineligible for future U.S. visas. So, why is this happening, what are they looking for, and what does this mean for your application? Let's break it down. The new mandate: your digital passport is now as important as your physical one. According to the U.S. mission, this policy is a critical measure to ensure national security. Applicants are now required to list all usernames for every social media platform they have used in the last 5 years. This includes Facebook, Twitter, now X, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, and any other platform where you have a public or private profile. When you sign and submit your DS-160 form, you are certifying under penalty of perjury that all the information provided is true and correct. This now officially includes your social media history. Thinking of opening a new, clean account just for the application? Don't. Advanced AI and digital forensics can easily uncover old or hidden profiles, and being caught in a lie is far worse than having a controversial post. What the U.S. government is really looking for. This isn't just a casual glance at your vacation photos. U.S. immigration and intelligence agencies are conducting a deep and systematic analysis of your digital footprint to build a comprehensive profile of who you are. Here's what they're screening for. 1. Background and consistency checks. First, they are checking for consistency. Does the life you present on your visa application match the life you live online? If you claim to be a doctor on your form but your online activity suggests you're a school dropout, that's a major red flag. They are looking for lies and discrepancies that could point to fraud. 2. Behavioral and threat analysis. This is where it gets serious. Your posts, comments, likes, shares, and even the groups you are a part of are analyzed to detect risky behaviors and extremist leanings. AI algorithms and manual reviewers from agencies like the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, and the FBI will scan your history for links to terrorism or support for sanctioned organizations, criminal activity and organized crime, violent extremism, ethnic bigotry, or hate speech, support for bad governance or banditry. Your online behavior is seen as a direct reflection of your character. As the saying goes, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks, and in the digital age, the keyboard types. 3. Predictive security screening. Beyond what you've already done, U.S. authorities are using AI to predict what you might do. Your digital footprint can be used to flag your profile as a potential future security threat, even if you have no criminal record. This predictive analysis assesses your temperament, political leanings, and overall stability to determine if you are a desirable individual to admit into their country. The applicant's dilemma: damned if you do, denied if you don't. This new reality creates a difficult situation for many applicants. If you hide your social media history, you will be caught. AI is incredibly effective at linking digital footprints. Getting caught in this lie will mark you as deceptive and likely lead to a permanent ban. If you show your social media history, and it contains problematic content, your visa will likely be denied. The hard truth is that there is no escape. The U.S. government has decided that your online identity is a critical piece of your overall identity. They are taking their country's security seriously and are implementing advanced methods to filter out individuals they deem risky. The final lesson: your online actions have real-world consequences. The days of posting, commenting, and sharing online without a second thought are over for anyone with aspirations of international travel. This policy proves that your behavior in your home country, as documented on social media, will follow you across borders. This isn't just an American policy. Other Western nations like the UK, Canada, and Australia are implementing similar digital screening measures. The message is clear: if you want to enter their country, you must be a person of good character, both online and off. What are your thoughts on this new requirement? Drop them in the comments below. Join us on Telegram and WhatsApp and chat below from the links in the video description.